Alright guys, I just got home and got this package. I'm not sure what it is, but I thought I would film it in case it was something cool. Feels like a box inside. I'm trying not to cut too hard into it because I don't know what's inside. I don't want to rip it. I have an idea, but I'm not sure. Oh, I think it is what it is. The Chad. Sergio, you are the man. I've had, this is an ASP 60 steel, I think that's the term. I had one knife from Maxace in that steel. Wasn't impressed with it. The action was okay. Oh, I like this little baggie. Oh, love this little baggie. That's really dope. Look at that. When do you get a lined baggie like that with your knives? Okay. Kunwu. Awesome stuff. This is my first unboxing of a Kunwu. I've been talking with Sergio for a while, but just picking his brain and getting his ideas. Got the Jackass sticker. Oh, another dope sticker. I like these. Oh, looks like wire clips. I am definitely a fan of wire clips. Replacement hardware, different springs. Little snack. Nice folded microfiber cloth. I'll have to save this for later. Here it is, guys. Let me set this down. Forgive my filming area. It's kind of messy because I just have one desk to work on. Oh, look at that milling. Orange peel with milling on the chamfers. Stonewash finish. Kunwu Chad, guys. This is in that crazy ass steel that he's been working on forever. That flicks nice. You guys see that milling on there? Wow. Look at that stonewash. Got some oil there. Very good edge. I am impressed. I'm not doing this just for the camera. I am thoroughly impressed. I have to check this clip out, otherwise it's the wire clip for me. And no lie, this thing feels good in hand. Even the clip, there's no hot spot. I am squeezing as hard as I can and I'm not feeling any hot spots. That's a plus. Good jimping. Nice long blade. You see how nicely that closed up, flicks out easily. Let's try the middle, the Spidey flick. Super simple. Kunwu Chad, PM60, I'm sorry. PM60 steel. You guys look that stuff up. Maxace did their knife with it and it was kind of an utter failure for me. Hardness testing was not that great, but my God. Sergio, Kunwu, great job, guys. Thank you so much.